Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day and I hope that this video finds you in good health and strength, guys. So guys, we're going to unbox these dip powders. I am not going to swatch every one of them. There are a few that I have my eyes on and that's what we're going to swatch. Let's get into this video, guys. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I have swatched some Azure Beauty on my channel before. This is another kit. This kit is absolutely fantastic. Now, you get all the liquids that you need. You don't get the buffer like you did in the other one, but that other one was really a beginner, a starter kit, everything that you need, including the dip dish. So guys, I'm just going to let you watch because this really is a watch me work. I'm just going to dip some of the powders that caught my eye because I will be doing some nail dip tutorials with some of the powders. So I just wanted to see what they were really like. So I'm just going to let you watch. As I said, guys, I'll come back in. Yes, guys, number 14 is a temperature changing dip powder. It's such a beautiful blue, and look at the color it goes into. It's almost like a pastel purple. I absolutely love this kit, and I don't have a code to share with you because Azure Beauty believe that they have already given you the best price possible. And honestly, I agree. Like, this is absolutely stunning. Everything you need to do nails at home. I'm Mama Does Nails. Please catch me in the next one. Mwah.